Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will sharing with you that how to fix your camera access problem on your Snapchat. Now we start the video without holding your precious time. Now we open the Snapchat. We can see that the camera is not working properly. Now we have to go on your settings. Here we can see this option. Now we have to go apps and notifications. Now we have to go permissions and manager, type it. Please wait some time. Now we have to go on camera. Scroll down, tap on Snapchat, allow it. Now we have to go on back screen. Open your Snapchat. Here we can see that the access of your camera on Snapchat is solved. If my video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my content.